Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about one of the most despicable tactics that criminals use against citizens, in particular law-abiding, defenseless citizens. And that is when they literally instill so much fear in our people that they can take over the people in them house, make people run left them house. Sometimes these homes are the result of years and years hard labor, much struggling, right? Work 2-3 job, whatever. When people done bill with them bill, criminals make them have to run left it. Criminals turn up and burn it down. Now, if you spent your whole life abroad and probably used to another society or another system, another culture, you might think to yourself, then that don't make no sense. Surely you just go to the police station, report it, and the police deal with the people who do it. No, that's not how it works in Jamaica. Not only can criminals force people to them home, make them have to run left them home, burn down them homes, some of the criminals that are doing it from the comfort of a jail cell provided by the taxpayer. The same taxpayer with the criminal make a fair run left them house. So the jailbird Dan can stay in a film cell comfortable because they have everything they need in there. Right. And people with our road who should be living free and who should be content if you run up and down. If you run left them property will get burned down. Who am I talking about in particular? Because it happen all over Jamaica, especially in the most acidic places. You just know about it very often, because if you notice in Jamaica, it means it's house burn down, enough of, I don't want to go as far as to say majority, but enough of them house there, or criminals are burn them down to send message to people. But the main focus of this video will be the Red Hills Road youth again. Brebre. Remember, I covered him before. The brother will dress up in a jail like same I go somewhere. I'm not going nowhere at all. The same brother where they put out it on the woman. Yeah. Send money, say more money. When the woman says she not give him the money already, man. Send money for her. Well, that so-called Dan is still very active. See this video clip on your screen right now? That's the home of a resident on Red Hills Road. And the same Dan sending people them for burn down people them house, them have to run well if it. Burn down the people them house and him don't know how house bill. And not only that, him a go around and a threaten other people and demand money, right? Because there's like a group of residents who refuse to give in to his demands. Most of us say, give him what he want, right? Call it a day. No one the problem. But some people are resisting. Some people are saying them now pay over an extortion money. As soon as people them see anybody in the community who look like say them have a stable job and are bringing no kind of income, them start pressure the people them. Start tell them say them want X amount of money. Start tell them say, oh, make sure you do this, make sure you do that. And some people say them not depend on that. Here come the threats. Right. Start sending people to give warning. This will happen to you, that will happen to you. What me want to know is this. What the powers them that be a wait pan for deal with them youth? Because the taxpayer are going to pay them money to the government, and the government can't deal with a single jailbird. We're not talking about a 500-man strong army. We're talking about a jailbird and him like 87s them and him kerosene them in the street. The government can't deal with him. Them can't find no way to stop him from doing this. No way at all. Is that what the government tell the people in Jamaica? Say if a prisoner decides say him want make people house burn down and have to run let them house, him can do it. And nothing can come out of it. I wonder if people realize the message was going, the message was saying. We need somebody to come out and tell us what the case is. If I so be the case, admit it. Tell the people them say, listen, only depend on no one. Only depend on no one because with all the powers of the state, we cannot stop a single jailbird from make you have to run left your house and make man a burn down house. People have here, why should citizens have to be abandoning them homes and I run up and down like a them are the criminal? Law-abiding people have to run up and down from the criminals. As I say, in a civic society, everything reverse. Everything reverse. So the actual criminal live comfortable. But the citizens have to run up and down. People have to look. People have to go catch other people yard asleep and ground and all kind of foolishness. People that get door knocked on, yo, want this, want that. If you don't give it, this is going to happen to you. Them things are going on in Jamaica. And people just talk about them business on a daily basis. Well, it no matter to me, it's not my fault, not my problem. Good luck to them, I saw it go. Alright, cool. But make sure you say the same thing when the next jailbird come knock on your door. When a Dan come knock on your door and you have to run left your house, say the same thing. Nobody go ball. Nobody talk what you want to justice. Cause that's the Jamaican way. I only want justice when it affect me. How much residents are living in fear? Cause you don't know where to go. Right. But at the same time, the demands and the money we make pandemic is too great. Because here's the thing. LIQs see a driver one car and live in one house and just assume say you have $50 million at the bank. So them just come up with a figure out of them head what they want. If you can't make the figure, you say they're gonna lose their life. And every day people are come and go, them are afraid say and I wonder if I till the last day. One little jailbird and make rodills road around so. The same thing happen all over Spanish Town, St. James, certain places. Right now, certain areas in Spanish Town, Bucktown and them place, so much people run gone left them homes. Homes are empty, 87 take over people's homes. People are run left them home and 87s are moving and I get free place to live and they don't know what block and cement costs. Them never buy a single length of steel, not even one. Them don't know how the window them buy, or the curtain them buy, but them in a people place, people run left it and them take it. And them people go on to Jamaica, I don't understand what the authorities them depend. So if them can't protect the people, if them can't do something as much as make people live in them house, right? Cause if me go to you and tell you to listen, me used to live at this address, 87's threatening me. Now I have to run left the address. You're not supposed to go there, anybody who catch that and they don't know it go already. Cause you're not supposed to do that. Right? What I realize is the system is afraid of the noise, what we call the noise. The noise is what happens when the people who carry out things like this, when them get pressure, the noise is usually, because the source of the noise is usually the kerosene, females. Them barley load this, oh, look at them, the poor little baby, why them are fight against, and then when the kerosenes make the noise, then the society see this woman on them TV screen about and say, yeah man, a true man, system are wicked. Not knowing say, them mute them make people have to run left them house and take it over. One down people's house and then clear it out and do them own thing. Let me take that back. People know, they just don't care. Let me take that back. Some Jamaicans don't know. Enough people are genuinely clueless to these things happen. Enough no one don't care. They don't care. See, enough people in our society, as I've said many times, freedom art only melt for criminals. Freedom art only melt when them hear say, see talk, mash up a youth on the streets. Then them want everything, them have 500 questions to ask. But when them hear say, somebody have to run left them house, he just says, bad them up, burn on their house. Then them say, well, that's how you got one of them things that life goes on. They don't know about questions. You ever notice 87s don't get interrogated? But no one know what. Then just that's how it go. Right. That's how it go. One of them things there. Move on. Just life. So what you work all your life and build house. So just move on. Just move. Cause Are just material things. Move on. Well, your precious little 87 is just a material thing too. So when him get dealt with, you for move on. We have to make nice on the screen for. All up in the videos crying, trying to get the population. I want to realize that this is why I will never stop talking about the Kerastines. They're some of the biggest agents in this whole criminal. You see, a man can come on your screen and make you feel sorry for him so easy, you know. It's very difficult. But make him send him baby mother and sister. And she start bawling and the public hear that, Lord have mercy, what them do poor little baby. So what, even if him a gunman, them should have still bring him in. Bring in what? Bring him down at the morgue. It's getting out of hand. And the reason why my rhetoric is so aggressive is because even the things bad now, wait until the citizens start to take up things in their own hand. This is what people are realizing now. Wait until the ordinary citizens lose faith completely in the system and its ability to protect them, and them start take up things in their own hands. Them time they wanna go ball. Kerosene, save your tears. Woketivist, save your tears. Fake humanitarian, fake human rights activists, save your tears. At them time they go ball. When ordinary citizens who decide saying what, me nah move out of the house. Me nah run gun nowhere, and since me know where you there, me go come look for you. Them time there, 87s and kerosenes are gonna run to the rock for hide, and even the rock are gonna need somewhere for hide too. People can only take so much and no more. I don't want to see Jamaica get to that state. I don't want to see Jamaica get to a state where people feel like say, I have to take up things in my own hand because the system can't protect me. I don't want to see that day. And unfortunately for Jamaican citizens, there is no law that allows the people them to form any kind of militia. Some countries have laws where citizens can form militias. Jamaica don't have that. If you even think about organizing and trying to defend yourself outside the law, you're going to prison. So the people them are stuck between a rock and a hard place. Them have for hope say, them just not living in a place. We have no man who will come in the pants span them and knock on them gate and tell them so if you give them this, give them that, or else. And so far on Willis Road, the police have actually managed to stop a few killings because them get intelligence, say him send out word, say this person and that person are gonna lose them life. And them actually go tip off the people them and tell them to listen, we have intelligence, they must send out word. So take away yourself or do this or do that. Get some kind of countermeasures. That's cool, I have to give them credit for that. But the fact remains, people shouldn't have to run up and down. People shouldn't have to get threatened and a plan for run left in yard or lock up themselves in their house. What kind of life is that? What kind of society is that? Remember recently when time the 4 money they get catching in the car upon the robbery? I feel boys them, you know. Robbery, you know. Remember the video I made and one of them is set up in the foot bend up and I said, oh, I'm set up so. I feel boys them. Go around and rob and all these things. All that money I go straight in a jail, the extortion money, everything I go straight back to Brebe. In a jail. This youth is no Tesha Miller, you know. This youth is no Dodos. This youth is not in a 90 octane. Right? He's not. But the way the government has struggled to contain him, it has swear say I'm name Escobar. They might make him look good. By failing to contain him, they might make him look good. They might make him look even more powerful than he actually is. See, what is clear to me that Jamaica needs some of them sell there, Uncle Samov. Some of them sell there when time man going at them end up start look for pen pal. You see some of them cell where Uncle Sam have, where them keep Delroy Uzi Edwards. Jamaica need some of them cell there. And this is the thing I have to go. Some of them youth, them have to go in them cell, them have to go in there until them start talk to all the wall. All the ants on the wall them have to go talk to. Because if you in a jail and still live certain lifestyle, jail is supposed to be, officially jail is supposed to be about rehabilitation. If you in jail and still send out others, come give man, and still mash up people's life from jail, you have to go in one of them Uzi Edwards cell there. See, that's why politics can't be with people like me. Can't be. Because the thing them when I bring in, the activists, them have to go fight me. Them have to go fight me. All of these crusaders and kerosene who love ball and tell a sad story about them, listen, you don't have to go fight me. Because I build at least 20 to 30 of them cell there. Maximum security cell. Right. What you say? Him still a send out others, carry him go in one of them. Right. Make him talk to the ants and the mosquito them around there. And they did build a few of themselves. But clearly they're not effective. Because even though brethren in one, because him not high profile enough to get one of them cell there. I think the government they build 2 or 3 of them, and some of the most high profile man them in them. I think Andre Blackman Brian from Clansman, him actually in one of them. Right. Still not stop nothing. Because me know Blackman still a get message out into the streets. You see, what them a do now, them a build the cell them and a do this and that within another jail. It can't be within another jail. Because sooner or later them have to come in contact with somebody else and come in contact with the next prisoner and next man and next this and that. So them can build links and scheme amongst them. You have to go get a separate jail out of GP, out of Spanish Town, out of Horizon, on a separate piece of land and nothing but these type of cells. They're there. Then you make sure so the water them are go there. Right? And the water them with the best track record, because if you go send no shady water where you can give him a thing and him give this, then in a sense, because the water give him phone and give him links and then he completely defeat the whole purpose. Right? So these options for the government, this option for the system, just a matter of how determined and motivated they actually are. The motivation is a big part of it, you know. Make one of them money. Make one of these criminals in a prison send out a hit on somebody that is truly high status. When I go see jail bill, you see the selling when I talk about, well, I see 100 of them bill within a month. Right? But as long as the little people them on Reddy's Road and the little people them are Bucktown and the little people them are Rivoli and the little people them Glendevon and little people them on Jungle, and as long as them I come under pressure, government will take them little time. Right? We'll get around to it. Right? But make none of them politicians, make nobody from jail send no hit on the politician. After then go in they go broke every bone in him body. Right? And that's if him lucky. Right? He'll see how fast them find the funds to build them a bill. The next thing you know, some of them Uzi Edwards sell they get throw up somewhere about the place. And you wonder, say, how come no more hit now send on the road? Right, motivation is a big part of it. Before the video ends, I want to talk about article I see in the Gleaner. I want you to look at your screen right now. Now, how many people read this article on the Gleaner? I have to say it's fascinating work. What does the title say? Man listed by police last week killed buried in Trinidad, says relative. How many people read this article and see where the relative, the Gleaner found a relative who told him that, Yekark Walker's name in Trinidad was Jamie Taylor, and he was a security guard, and what may I tell you, this relative, that relative did a great job with the Gleaner. Excellent piece of reporting here. Excellent piece of. Let me ask the mainstream media host them something. What's the issue here? Is it that you think that if you were to say you heard this on Politics Watch, you think you'd be giving me some kind of boost and you're trying to not because I check the comment section and everybody has said the same thing. A Politics Watch and they said this. Right. Literally, they not even wait 3 days. They posted this the next day. That's our relative tell them. No point in the article. There was even a point in the article where they mentioned Ratty. And when I was mentioning him more different Ratty and Peke Boy days, even that the quote unquote relative tell them. Anytime I get nothing from the Gleaner or River, I always give these people them credit. But you realize it's never returned. They always have some spooky story, some fairy tale, some fairy godmother tell them. Right. Santa Claus come from the North Pole and tell them. But that is why I'm never motivated by mainstream credit. Because you see, if you were to wait upon that, you'd have wait till you turn skeleton. But you see, when you have a solid relationship, right, with your core fan base, that's how we can get these stories in the first place. So, Gleaner, big up your relative, big up your investigator, who found out that one of Jamaica's wanted man that Trinidad that work as security and dead and all kind of things. Listen, great journalism, excellent work. Excellent work, big up on yourself. Great way to start out the new year. But PIA, we know what we know. Right. We are keep getting more stories like this. Right. Because the people they must start to see what go on now. People must start to see who them need to come to when they want to drop certain things like this. So, big up the Gleaner. On the name can't change. Right, when the thing big and established. Right. Multi-million, multi-billion dollar brand. Whatever it is. And I'm just a little YouTuber who, bad mind scammers fight against artists and make up things to get views. So surely you would have no need to be jacking my content, right, and throwing smoke screen over it. That there is simply no way that could happen. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying I should make a video and nobody can comment on it or add with them or add to it, or go do them own thing. And no, that's not what I'm saying, because obviously enough time Glean and Observe and then people that drop story, and that's where I get the story from and I report and comment on the story. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm not hogging the content, even though me get it as an exclusive. I'm not hogging nothing. Right. The problem is when people are being intellectually dishonest. Right. Them don't even have to give no credit. Them don't even have to say them get this on Politics. But to try and word that article as if, right, them go do them research and them talk to relative and relative give them this the day after my video drop, and a story that was not mainstream. I mean, this is a case of we don't believe you need more people. But I just one of them things there. At the end of the day, you don't change the price of bread. But because I know the lengths the PIA go to sometimes, right, to gather some of this intel, I don't know. When you don't have to say, when you get it from Politics Watch, or you don't have to mention Politics Watch or Serpino, but you can get the PIA some credit. When I write an article, say, the PIA discovered that. Right, when you have to give me no credit, because I don't want none. When I do credit, look like a phone. I don't phone, I don't need no credit to put on the data. But considering the PIA efforts, right, if we not go jack things, right, where the people put through all the time and effort, right, for check and double check and go over here so go make sure this happen, make sure that happen, you sure, alright, we'll collect this, bring this come, and then if you just jump on it and go on like say, full investigative journalism. Come on, stop it, we don't believe you. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself as always. We had a good laugh about this article over there, right on Patreon. PIA, You don't make go already. All the things I give you credit. Me have to give it. Right. Special ops, you don't know. Vulture squad, stay circling. There's bound to be some scraps because obviously what if scraps are young about the place. All kind of scraps about the place. Bless.